When considering Codeway, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making your purchase, especially as it competes with other popular tools out there. Whether you're looking for an intuitive, user-friendly platform or need a solution that delivers both power and simplicity, there are some key points that can really influence your decision. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share how you can try Codeway for free with the best possible offer, so you can see if it's the right fit for you. First off, Codeway's versatility is a standout feature. Unlike some of its competitors, Codeway doesn't lock you into rigid workflows or complex setups. It provides a streamlined interface with a lot of customization options, making it adaptable to different business needs. So whether you're working solo or as part of a larger team, you'll find it intuitive. Compared to alternatives like Competitor 1, Codeway gives you more flexibility without the overwhelming complexity that usually comes with such powerful tools. Next thing, the integration options are worth mentioning. With Codeway, you're not left to figure things out on your own. It integrates smoothly with many third-party platforms and services, which is crucial for businesses that rely on multiple software tools. This means you won't need to constantly switch between apps or manually update data across platforms. While competitors may offer integrations, Codeway's seamless setup is a big selling point. It's designed for ease, so you can spend more time on the work that matters instead of wrestling with technical setups. The third thing to consider is the customer support and training offered by Codeway. Many software providers either leave you to fend for yourself with limited resources, or they overwhelm you with too much information. Codeway's support team is known for being responsive and helpful, and their resources are clear and well organized. When you're navigating a new tool, knowing that help is just a click away can make all the difference. Moving on to the fourth point, let's talk about pricing. Codeway offers competitive pricing that appeals to both small startups and larger businesses. Unlike some other software on the market that charge premium prices without offering proportional value, Codeway ensures that you get more for your investment. You're paying for a tool that will grow with your business, which can't always be said about pricier alternatives that lock you into a set package or don't scale as easily. The fifth thing you should know is the speed and reliability of the platform. One of the biggest complaints users have with similar software is downtime or slow loading times, which can be frustrating. I've used Codeway extensively, and it's remarkably fast. Their cloud infrastructure ensures reliability even during peak usage, and with regular updates, it feels like the platform is constantly improving. Next, let's talk about customization. Codeway provides a level of customization that many of its competitors struggle to match. Whether you're designing workflows, reports, or dashboards, the platform lets you create a personalized experience without being locked into predefined templates. Other tools, like in Competitor 2, tend to be less flexible in this area, so Codeway shines for teams or businesses that need to adapt quickly. Lastly, there's the ease of adoption. The real value of any software is how quickly your team can adopt it. Codeway makes this transition easier with its user-friendly design and intuitive interface. Even if you're switching from a different tool or are new to the space, you'll find that Codeway has a relatively low learning curve compared to other options. This can save you hours of training and onboarding time, something that can be a hassle with other products like in Competitor 3. If you're seriously considering Codeway and want to test out all these features, you're in luck. Click the first link in the description to get the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. This is your chance to experience everything Codeway has to offer risk-free and see how it compares to other tools on the market. Don't miss out on the best offer you can get. So, to recap, whether you're after a flexible platform with great support, seamless integrations, or just a reliable and fast tool, Codeway has you covered. Click the link below to try it for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and software reviews.